Here, Gabrielle's using her fork. Ooh! You got it! Yay! Hi. You did good. Thank you for sitting up, Bubba's. Hi. She's eating her favorite thing. And she definitely takes after her mother. My favorite thing is watermelon, too. Yummy! Look at how good she's doing. Okay, sometimes you gotta hit it just right. Oops. Bubba's hit right in the middle. Try the other piece. Yeah, do that piece. There you go. Woohoo! Oops! It fell down. It's on your lap. Here, Bubba's, you missed it. It fell down. It fell. Oh, do this one. Do this piece. Do the big piece. Those are harder. They don't stick. Do this one, Bub.
What do you like that's orange? Yellow. Can you find something that's yellow?
Good. Hi. Yes, Mommy's videoing. Good job. You're gonna get it.
This puppy is a silky terror. He is a little puppy.
Yay! Oh. Gabrielle, it fell out of your mouth. All that work and you said hi and it fell out of your mouth.